Okay, guys, I did it a little bit out of order. I'm sorry. This is a scroll of a play in 2 acts. We're just going to get through this fairly quick because I know that I'm in the habit of doing this scroll. This may be independently done because the play itself tonight kind of wrote itself in a way. I'm getting used to this, and like, I think I did a little bit out of order that I've been doing it. And now when it started, it was very unorthodox. I've kind of stuck to certain rules and regulations of at least posting the news scene. Tonight, we're going to just post the scroll. I said I would do that every once in a while. So usually I will post just basically, you know, the newest scene. Okay, now there might be a handful of people, I don't know how many people are watching this, sometimes like 20 people and stuff, that might think, is the new scene the play itself? Is it that short? No. That's why I'm scrolling to let you know. It's a pretty long play. I have said 2 acts, which I may have right here, because there could be 1 act right there. Any director that got a hold of it and said, well, hey, listen, this is what we want to do from the play, because the play is going to be very long. And I would be like, that's fine. Now, Tennessee Williams would be like, absolutely not. This is kind of an experimental piece. I would just hope that they use the cat. If they cut the cat, I may get mad. If they cut the options of using the cat in 3 different ways, I would be upset too. Meaning you can mime the cat, it could be played by a person, or it could be played by a real cat, okay? This is a new theater kind of thing. Miming is a little different because there's rules to mime. The rules to mime are you never jump off the ground and you never speak. So if they were handling the cat, they could use stylized mime by not jumping off the ground and not talking while they're maybe petting the cat. Now, I know in our town they'll talk and mime furniture and mime cabinets and picking things. Just, I guess the writer is Thornton Walter. I don't know on our town, but it's calls for mime. Now, if they talk a little bit and break the rules of mime while messing with the cat, that's okay, but it's going to be stronger if they're quiet when they're dealing with the cat. There may be scenes where they're just looking in the direction of the cat, and that's not necessarily mime. So what I mean by mime is actually petting the cat and doing mime of an invisible cat, meaning they would mime petting the cat or mime scratching the cat, things like that. It wouldn't be written in the play because the play has 3 options. So if I wrote it in the play, it would break that 3-option rule. You'd have to know the vlog. Okay? All right. Y'all have a good one.